Hey y'all, what is up YouTube, Sparky Marky, and I'm back to do a review and unboxing for a certain item. It's a watch review, and what is this watch that I'm about to show you, y'all? This particular one was released in May 7th of 2012, a month after my 21st birthday, around the same time, or around the same month when Marvel's Avengers was released. So, anyone fan of the MCU, follow my channel. Heck, if you saw my previous video from yesterday, about GalaxyCon, so better get that now before you're gonna have to wait for another sign-in, y'all. But enough chit chat. Let's check out this watch, like right now. Here it is. Gotta put a little tape around there. Here's the watch, and I don't even know what's the number, but enough about that. Let's take a look and what's in here. Yo, Mike of Mike835, can I say this word? Shouts to Mike835, I'll say this word. Pop the top. You got your warranty card, very important. Here's the watch. It's the GW-2310FB-1. Module number 3195. This cost good money. You can still get it, or maybe it went higher. I don't even know if it's discontinued. I'm not sure. So, here you go. All black and negative display. Negative display and very, very cool ion color. Another bit of suspicion, could this be the watch that Tyler Perry wore, or was it a different color scheme of the watch that you would see in Tyler Perry's wrist as the character of Alex Cross in 2012 Alex Cross? So yeah, just admire the design. I'll leave you the description of the size of this watch. Same as before the previous model from, let's say, a decade earlier or 11 years later. Again, all black. I'll leave you a link again in the description box for my buddy Exacto or anyone who has access to this particular watch. But look at this. At the end of this video, I'm going to show you the illumination. As that, yep, when you move the watch, it does that. There. ALE backlight. With that, let me see how much seconds did I adjust for this one. Leave it for LT3. There we go. Let's take a look at the functions. You got your alarms. Alarm 1, 2, 3, 4. Snooze. Signal. Back to your alarm. Stopwatch. My favorite of them all. The timer. And back to the home time. And voila, I was right. Hold on a second. 3195 is the module. Pause that carefully on and G-Shock resist. Well. Pause it. Alright, that's good enough. Let's see the buckle. Casio Thailand on the buckle, but remember, this is Japan model. And this band, pause it carefully if anyone could read. Pause that. 5223. Yep, 5223 SE22 16 PUR. So that's the name of this. Admire this wonderful design of this watch. We got nearly almost a decade now. This is 10 years old, by the way. So yeah, no chit chat. The details and size will be in the description box down below. And let's see if this has a test screen. Do I ever do test screen in my pieces? But heck, got a signal 1 a.m. Wow. Oops, my bad. TLT for test screening. This is TLT, which is, I can't even tell. If anyone knows about this, let me know in the comments. So yeah, let me know more. Alright. So enough details to talk about the watch, but like I said, maybe later this year I'll be talking about watches and movies. So if anybody likes movies and watches, TV shows, I don't know much about the shows, but I do like the shows, but I like movies as well. Video games and other things. So enough chit chat. Let's do the music, y'all. Like right now. Enjoy the music of Look Around by the Red Hot Chili Peppers. Enjoy, y'all. Well, y'all, you enjoyed this vid. I know I have. And anybody a fan of Red Hot Chili Peppers, let me know. And also, to be notified of all new notifications, March 4th is the end of the crowdfunding for Indiegogo for the My Bloody Valentine fan film, Valentine Bluff. Yep, you still have time. And of course, anybody wants to know more about things, follow the links in the description box down below, and as well as to be notified of all new uploads, subscribe to my channel, like the vids, and if you have any questions on one of the videos, let me know in the comments down below. And What else? So be looking forward to new videos coming around this year. So, and anybody else excited for the new Batman film? I know I'm excited. So are my homies and homegirls. Mostly my homies. They're big Batman fans. I know I myself one as of some years back. Even as a kid, I think I might have liked the Batman films here and there. Something like that. So, anyways, this is Sparky Marky Mark signing off. Y'all take care. God bless you. Enjoy the rest of your day and catch you on the next vid.